Hello. Ah, that's why it's called Torture Stream. Because I will randomly get intense pain. I have a neck injury. Oh, I forgot my glasses. I'm gonna go get my glasses. Really interrupts my thinking. It's made me superstitious about moving. I don't want to move unnecessarily. I need this. It's hot. But I can probably still manage to work. Okay. I'm like a little bit shaky as well. Just like expecting torture at any moment. You know what did You know what did help was the hot shower. Ouch! God damn. Oh my goodness. That was biggest one on stream so far. Okay, try to relax. If I don't move, it doesn't happen. So okay, so I am opening up the script review. Okay, so I believe I was almost done this. Right, I should grab the map as well. Is it a left arm sort of deal? If I do this, do I get tortured? No, looks like we're good. Okay. I could just feel it ready to attack at any second. Oof. How's the microphone with the fan? Is that better? Mm. Tell me if it's bad. Okay, we got the map. Okay, so we're looking for a specific script. Frost part model mod rotation. It would appear there are multiple. Although this is the only one. That just sucks. Okay, so it's literally just a rotating model. Surely, right? Cool. So that's what it looks like. Very slowly, very smoothly, careful. Wow. Working that way. One, two, three. At about 2.5 seconds, or I guess about 5 seconds per rotation. Okay. I hate this song. Okay. Right, we're gonna have to do compounding rotations at some point. Yeah, so I guess I should do it using axis angles from the beginning. Where's the thing? There it is. Okay. Is that what we're doing? No. It seems like the pain stops me from sneezing, which is excellent because that would be even more pain. Roar. 1/5. Oh, right, that's not exact. So it's this times 30. Okay. So this is a positive number, so the axis is positive, and the rotation speed positive. Okay. Is there a reason for tick equals tick? And it's mostly habit at this point. But I learned that in like 2010. This is a global variable and this is a local variable. Accessing a local variable is faster than accessing a global variable. It does not matter in the slightest in this context. The speed doesn't make any difference whatsoever. but it's a habit I picked up when I was younger. Must have been more like 2012. Okay, so this should do the same thing as the other. Me one the other. Okay, so oh God, please. Oh jeez. There it is. No. Okay. So it was rotating this way about once every 5 seconds. Ooh. Alright, go for it. It might start being lopsided. Oh, I wrote it perfectly. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First try. I am just the best at programming. But you already knew that. Okay. Slowly. Carefully. Without torture. Okay. Great. So I'm going to be pasting this script like 8 more times. Yeah, bud. Okay. Go. Go next. Okay, so now we got rad negative 20. I should just literally be able to just squack it right there. Negative 20. Alright, let's find the script and watch it, make sure it works. Model, like, okay. Let me just step through these here. Okay. Do we have any other model rotation? No. Okay, we're gonna have to do some axis angle inversion. Okay, so this is the only part that changes, which is what I expected, but I just wanted to make sure. So that's negative 20 with the same axis. That should be good. Alright, now this one is just a little bit more complicated. Oh my. From Euler angles XY. Careful. Yeah. We can do this full thing. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, so now run this script. That gives me new angles. Yeah. So it's a vector and then speed. Okay. So here is the vector. That didn't work. Oh, I forgot. I can't copy from Roblox Studio. Well, I have a trick to fix that. It's called Roblox Emulator. Let's go. Okay, so this is over here. Yes, yes, yes. Run script, fix Euler. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, it doesn't print the full precision. Or maybe it does, because that's float. Huh. Roblox bug. Okay. There you go. Times 30, right? Vector 3.new, vector 3.new. Okay, so this is the rotation axis. You can see that it's like slightly not diagonal. If we look at the original script, it says 1.25, 1.25, 1.25. So that's like X, Y, and Z rotation. But because they're applied in sequence, there is like gimbal lock effects that make it not a perfect diagonal axis of rotation. But you can always find an axis that rotates from one rotation to another rotation, even when you compound rotations in between. So that's what I did. I found the rotation axis that goes directly to the final rotation that is a sequence of 3 rotations. And now I can just rotate about that axis instead of having to do the individual steps. And it's also analytic. And doesn't suffer from problems such as being frame rate dependent. Okay, well let's find this goober. Well, it's mod. I believe. Surely it's right. Go next. Good. Great. Wonderful. $1.25, brother. So we put this back, and it's rotating about y-axis 1.25, and that's it. Okay, now we have this specific number. So let's calculate that. And notice that it's the same rotational speed, but the axis is just slightly different. Yeah, it looks like the numbers are almost the same, because like it just flipped some of the rotation axes. How many maps left? I'm going in scripts. There's 17 scripts left. But that is also applicable. There's 7 maps left. Okay, surely that's it. Don't call me Shirley. Okay. Mm. Okay. Wait, what? Can I get the whole thing? No, that's it. Okay. Mm-hmm. Very good. Okay. Negative 1.25. Those spinny things. Always spinning. Okay. 125, 125, 125. We'll end up with the same numbers as this actually. It'll just be negative that, but I'll run it. It's not? What? Why is that a different number? This is a different number and that's a different number. What? Did I make a mistake? I don't see. Oh, is it sine? I'm confused because I thought that what's it called when you have a function like sine where it's like reflected about this axis or something. It's equal to the so if you plug in f of x, it's equal to negative f of negative x. It's an odd function. That's what it's called. I thought that the Euler angles would be an odd function. I guess it's has 3 inputs though. That is a big surprise, and I kind of want to figure out why. Because the numbers are the same. Yeah, I'll start out by pasting in the result. Come on. That's what it says the answer is. Okay, let's see. So rotation matrix. So what's it's 1 0 by yeah, and then we have yaw, pitch, roll. Okay, I did it wrong. I always don't know which way it is. All right. Plus and negative. How's the neck? Not good. I'm not in constant pain, but you never know when it's gonna strike. Usually it's when I move. So why would setting all of these to negative of the same value? Okay, that. But that's the same value, just negative. Okay, well no, there it's squared. Huh. I guess that's how it works. That's freaking wild. Alright, watch. If I plug in the values, so like if I go like matrix form, the number 2, so it's output 2, such that pitch is 1, yaw is 1, roll is 1. Numerically evaluate it, we get this matrix. If I take all the numbers and make it negative, 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 I would expect the same numbers but just negative some places, like these 3 and these 3, something like that. Oh, look at that. What? Wow. So it just does not behave like I expect. So like, see this number here, that one is just negative, and so is this one. But then boom, this one's totally different. And I think that's because of this. So like, this is an odd function, but this is an even function. Well, no. Well, yes. Yes, if you replace all of these with x, then that makes sense. So this is neither an even nor an odd function. Neither even or odd. Even nor odd. Neither nor is not a real saying. How strange. I totally would have expected it to be just like the opposite rotation if you plug in all negative numbers. But it's not. Never use Euler angles. This is always a mistake. But I guess for making maps, I can just fix it because I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna send that to Trey. Like that's actually interesting. Actually, what if I inverse the matrix? Can I like see it good? Wow. Yeah, it is not. I wonder if I send that. It just feels like the kind of thing I would share with Trey. Okay, we good. We got the positive angles. So positive. Good. Go. Okay. Uh. Okay, what does this do? Hover script? What the hell? Oh my god, the pain is interrupting my thought process. What the hell curve is this? It's an odd way of writing it. end pause. I see. Well done. It's only been 40 minutes. I'm not really wanting to. Why don't I just skip the script? Okay, so I was having trouble with this one because I realized that it could load bad because it's a client script. Lighting changer. So the way that my version works is that all of the effects are already there. Oh. I suppose I could have a child added. But then I would need to know the current lighting. I just solved it, I guess. It'll work. It just makes things more complicated. Okay, I'm gonna put away my coffee. I will be back. It will probably take me longer than usual. Move very slowly. Minor torture. Okay. I've got like Batman neck. I don't want to turn my head because I can trigger a pain response. Okay. So what I want to add here is a child added monitor on each preset. And insert the effect into this effects list, but also move it into the lighting if it is the current current lighting, gabagoo. Yeah, I think I can. Where is? Okay, so this is how it's gonna be done. Oh, presets. Oh god. So it has to be split up like this. This has to go right in the middle. Pre-process lighting presets and Monitor set folders for lighting effects. Okay. Yeah. Actually, this can go down here. If current lighting is equal to preset, then oh no, it's this table, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, it has to go above. Equals this. Indeed, brother. So this is preset folder. Preset folder. Preset folder. Preset folder. No. Preset. Okay, what happened? Yes. Okay, so then this is folder. Then effect dot parent equals lighting. For real? Lowercase l. There you gotta go. If this is the current lighting, so monitor preset folder for late loading lighting effects. Move the effect to lighting now. Cool. I swear I've written this already before. Like almost verbatim, I betcha.
I betcha.
Okay, very nice. So now it should handle all cases. Why are these okay? Yes. Do not wait. Do not collect Go dollars. Okay, how we do? Very nice. Very nice. Okay, well, test it. Test it. Okay. Lighting stuff. Lighting stuff. So, green area. What the hell? Is it just not real? Is there just nothing there? Oh. Red area. Brother. Okay, so if I stand here, I should be able to like smush my camera down and it'll like change the lighting. Boom. Red. Boom. Okay, well. Now we paste over this with my Uber lighting changer. Uber goober. And we go again. Singing. And it doesn't work. Infinite yield possible. Gain ain't no way. They like this. This is the doom doom doom. That the like Western guitar sound. What is it? It's like something towers. It's not Faulty Towers. This is from a TV show, right? Oh. No, no. What? Okay. I just need to know. This is who I am. When I think of information I must acquire, it is becomes my mission. Search. Towers. Did I misremember? Does anyone know what the song is like? Alright. I burger. I know where it comes from. The Saturn burger. There's a it's a compilation of all of these. Compilation. What is this? A Saturn burger? But there's more, and it has like this specific background music. And my friend knew what it was. It sounds exactly like this song. Dung, dung, dung. Dung, dung. With the exact same chord progression. Maybe it'll show up on Who Sampled. This is like my favorite website for learning about music. Okay, song is called Dancing on a Summer Night with You. Summer night, all one word. That's not a real word, my good guy. Okay, so dancing, fantasy, dancing. Dancing, fantasy, dancing on. Alright. Twin Peaks. I was probably thinking of Twin Towers or something like that. Twin Peaks theme. Yeah. That's it. Listen. Oh, I can't. Crap. Audio does not play to my mess. Okay, so it's currently playing the audio to here, but we want to listen to it. See? See? I told you. Just makes me so happy to know the source of the audio. Okay. Saturn burger. Okay, that was a big distraction. Okay, so we got an infinite yield because it's typoed. I gotta change it to green and it fixes. Hey yo. Good thing I tested it, eh? Green. The color green. red. Not red. Red. Not red. Light red. Oh. Unexpectedly tried to. Oh. I see. Alright. If table find effects effect, then return end. Oh my god, bro. Alright. Oh my god, bro. Doink, donk, doink, donk, doink, donk, doink, donk, 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 donk. Okay. The green zone is the incorrect location. I will map fix. Thank you. I did notice that. There's a big empty zone. Okay. Look at this. Geen. I'm gonna send Redis. Imagine all the people. How much battery do I have? Okay, the map. Okay. Yes. Okay, the lighting changer. Alright, I tested it and it worked. Go. Okay, who he ha what's this? The Saturn burger? Small natural flicker. Natural. Verdure. Ay. Ah. Wait. Oh. What? 25. It's using like built-in Roblox textures. Wacky. I think I already looked through to find the easy scripts. No. Yeah. No. No. This is bad. I'm gonna actually request this to be changed. Contains script that spawns individual rain droplets. Parts. Please use a particle effect instead. Surf. What's that surf map that was fun that I played? The ski slopes. The Christmas map. Oh, my neck. Whistler. Is that it? Sounds right. Fireman. Yeah. Uh, the word. President. Big brain, that's right. I'm trying to I've sort of developed a habit over the years of just saying the thing when I'm trying to think of anything, and now I'm trying to undo that habit. I'll like actually try to say what I mean. I think it's actually healing my brain, and it was like a bad habit. I would just like have a single neuron path, the thing, and then I actually have to go and fill in the details, and I feel like a person again instead of a passenger. Okay, I'm a person. Request changes. Okay. Looking up word synonym half the time I'm writing something. Oh yeah, absolutely. That's par for the course. Okay. Me. Oh my. Oh my god, bruh. Okay. Purge. Purge from the system. Confirm system purge. Purge. Okay. Sanguine. This does not work. Also, it's already like that. Get or create is dumb. Do not do like this. Name equals name. Yeah. Okay. Stupid. Instance.new. Actually, put me back. Parent equals lighting. Okay, bud. I'll just keep it there. Instance.now. Color correction dot name equals to boom. Boom. Color correction dot parent equals to boom. Okay. Yeah. Atmosphere dot name equals to boom. Okay, that should do it. Then we don't need this stupid function. And we don't need this. Stupid. Stupid. Okay. Visibility. It's just the lighting. Like, it's a lighting script, my good feller. Every other lighting script in the world is like this as well. Spooky. Spooky. Smoking. Okay, so good. Great. Good job. Proud of you. Got him. It's untested, but I know what I'm doing. Definitely, right? Haha. Horizontal speed. No way. Vertical speed equals 0. Alright. Nice. Metallurgical. I'm metallurgical. Important scripto. Alright, we gotta see if this is a client script. If it's a server-side script, then wait for child is not necessary. Necessary. Did this get reviewed fully? Me metallurgical. Ooey. I download the map. That is what I do. There's one script left, right? I just couldn't be asked to do it. Okay. Important. It's a server script. It's a server script. You don't need wait for child. Okay. No. Lighting. Dot sky. Oof. Sky dot parent equals lighting. You don't need this. It's a server. Indeed, brother. Underscore Alright, let's see what that looks like. Script materials. Yeah, all of them are materials. You don't need this. And there you go. Yes, sir. Simple, simple, simple. Simple server. Oof. Okay. God, I hope this neck pain is not with me for the rest of my life. That would suck. Just move wrongly one day and then become disabled. Insane. That's kind of how it works though, isn't it? But usually, like, okay, so what I did was I leaped out of bed and started doing pull-ups, and then I went, ah, and now it's turned into like a multi-day pain spasm. Like, what did I do? It's not my fault. How should I have known? I'm sorry. Okay, there is the lighting and materials. Yes, sir. Woke up one day and I still have discomfort. Hope it gets better. God, I hope. Okay, we have more of this defensive programming that is unnecessary. Didn't I already do this script? No, it's slightly different. Okay, this should go first. Okay, we don't need lighting until here. Why don't we put the materials after lighting? I like lighting first. I think it's good. Bloom, blurm, blum, blim, blam. Ow! A little bit of torture, a little bit of torture. Okay, good. Sky. This sky. Okay. Oh, was that actually wrong? Hold on. The script. No, they got it right. Okay. I almost wrote it wrong. You know, you can just write this into the property of the object. You don't need to use a script, fella. Okay. Well, there is that script. refactored. There will never exist an object already in the lighting. You always want to create it new. No if statements. Okay. Surf A. I believe that's Moria. No. I actually don't know. Who made the other one? I don't remember. Okay, well, good. Go. I don't actually know which map this is, but we got him. Yeah, see, it's not Moria. Really, dude? Really, dude? Oh wait, I already wrote a script for this. Lighting changer. Your changes. Huh? Ooh. I messed up the script because of revision mismatch. Oh, which creator? Which map is yours? Moria. Did I save it? Ooh, okay, that's better. I really have to not lean my head forward. Somehow I always end up like leaning my head that way. And it doesn't feel good. I didn't see any scripts for this map. Wowee. Oh, this is the one with the surf A. Wee woo. Is this one done? Okay, how we doing? 3 maps left. Okay, so there's one script that killed me there. Metallurgical is done. Homely momely. So Quack, Verdure. Probably those Verdure scripts will be unchanged. Wow, the neck pain really wears me down. But I got work done, which is excellent. Okay, we're down to 3 scripts left to, or no, not scripts, 3 maps with unreviewed scripts. What else can I do? Oh, I get a check mark for that. Nice one. sent me a message. Well, I think that's all I have for today. God, I hope the neck thing goes away. I'd love to play the game. Wait, this didn't pass script review? Oh, it just needs to refresh. There you go. Getting closer. Did way less work than before, but I mean, I get like 10-ish scripts reviewed. Just need to return day after day, get it done. There is that this thing. Fast oob. It's always oobs. Oh, there we go. Okay, well, get better soon. Get well soon. That is the end of today's stream. I will be trying not to move for the rest of the day. Bye.